Why should we feed crows? Coming days are the Mahalaya, and during Mahalaya, we give importance to Pitru Devatas. Now, what is the significance of feeding crows through this? As we all know, India is a land where people have many traditions, rituals, and customs with sacred meanings. In Hindu culture, everything in nature has great significance. This includes birds, trees, animals, water, air, etc. The Vedas and scriptures say that the feeding of birds and animals can help one to avoid the malefic effects of the planets in one's horoscope and boast one's good karma. In Hindu mythology, animals and birds are the vehicles of certain gods and goddesses too. So, feeding animals and birds are believed to be beneficial, and it is said to release us from our own sins. The crow is commonly seen bird in India. Crows have some significance in Hindu mythology. It is believed to be the vehicle of Saturn, a planet that has great importance in Vedic astrology. Many Hindus fear this planet as it can bring untold hardship and suffering to people when it is afflicted or placed unfavorably in the horoscope. It is believed that our ancestors come to earth in the form of crows. For this reason, giving food to crows is seen as feeding our departed ancestors. Crows also act as messengers to Pitruloka. Feeding crows during Mahalaya or Pitrupaksha, let us see. Why should we feed crows as offerings to our ancestors? Why do we use this lowly bird as a medium to feed our ancestors? The answer is the crow is not a lowly bird. Why? Let us see the following reasons. Number one, crows wake up at Brahma Muhurat every day. A hen and a cock may miss a morning, but a crow never misses it. If a crow finds food, it immediately calls and calls all other crows to share. No other animal or bird has this sterling trait. Crows don't eat after sunset. The Shastras do advise against eating after sunset. All three qualities are something that our ancestors would advise us. Hence, they are said to use the crow as the medium and not any other being. But then why feed them during Mahalaya? This is the only season crows mate and breed. So what? Our civilization wanted crows to breed and multiply. But then why? To have more people and banyan trees around us. Now, what do crows have to do with this people and banyan trees? People and banyan trees sprout only and only from the seeds that have passed through the intestinal tract of crows and not from anything else. But why this interest to have more people and banyan trees? You should know this significant reason. Unlike other trees, people and banyan trees give out oxygen 24 by 7. They give out oxygen, I repeat, 24 by 7. They are oxygen plants. So the next time someone calls this a superstitious practice, educate the people with this knowledge. This is Sanatana Dharma. Thank you.